What's new in Navure 3.0? Navure 3.0 introduces Professional Plus, a unified edition. This version combines the Professional and Enterprise editions, giving customers access to all tools. This update simplifies maintenance, reduces complexity, and offers greater flexibility and advanced capabilities. Processing in the background. Version 3.0 introduces a powerful new feature, asynchronous mode. Some procedures may take time to complete. Now, with Navure's asynchronous mode, users can send long-running procedures to the background and continue working on other tasks without interruption. Since version 2.7, users have had the ability to cancel selected procedures. Now, in the same dialog box, a new Send to Background button has been added. Once the background process finishes, a pop-up notification will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. For even greater control, you can manage background processes in the Process tab located in the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of all processes running, completed, or sent to the background, the ability to cancel active processes, and the option to view results for completed processes. Nonlinear model selection. When you specify that a factor affects one or more parameters of a nonlinear model, an implicit model is defined for each treatment level. However, all these models are fitted simultaneously within a single, unified modeling framework. To reduce model complexity, you can merge or collapse levels of the factor. You can then test whether this simplification improves the model using criteria such as the Alkaika Information Criterion, AIC, or the Bayesian Information Criterion, BC. This is the purpose of the collapse level option at the bottom of the factors panel. If a simplified model is found, several key results are highlighted. First, the merged levels of the factors involved are shown. In this example, levels B and C are merged from the original 3 levels, A, B, and C. Second, a simplified version of the fitted model is displayed, along with a reference to its components. Third, the standard output for the simplified model is provided, including formulas for treatment A and for the merged group of B and C. Lastly, the fitted models are presented graphically. Nonlinear models comparison. If you already fixed 2 or more nonlinear models and want to make pairwise comparisons of them, just click the Univariate tab and the Nonlinear Model Comparisons button. A list of models is shown in order of creation, from newest to oldest. Select the models you want to compare and click OK. The output will display a summary of the compared models, including the model ID, model class, number of observations, number of parameters, AIC, BIC, log likelihood, and, if possible, the likelihood ratio test statistic, its degrees of freedom, and the corresponding p-value. Since models can have complex formulas, they are named Model 1, Model 2, and so on. A complete reference for each model is displayed at the end of the output for identification purposes. Quantitative x-axis in dot and bar plots. 2 new variants of the dot and bar plots are now available. Unlike the existing versions, these plots support numeric and date variables on the x-axis, allowing for non-equidistant positioning along that axis. To use them, click the downward arrow at the bottom of the standard or bar plot buttons and select the desired x-axis type from the drop-down menu. Merging 2 tables by key has a better interface and more ease to read output. We've redesigned the table merging interface to make selecting and combining datasets more intuitive. The new layout clearly separates the primary and secondary tables into dedicated checklists, making it clear which table serves as the source or target and eliminating any confusion. After merging, The output retains the original row order of the primary table to ensure consistency and simplify validation. This upgrade provides a more streamlined and predictable workflow for merging data by key. These are just some of the new features available in Navure 3.0. We hope these updates enhance your data analysis experience. Don't forget to update your software and explore these new tools. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. Thank you for your attention.